Hey y'all, it's Ginger. Welcome back to my channel. So we got some brand new arrivals from Madam Glam. So I'm going to go through all of them with you guys, share my thoughts on them, and show you what they've got. So first up, they came out with two new top coats, but I have the third one here. So do you remember the Touches of Gold? This came out a little while ago. So beautiful. Love it. They came out with a Touches of Bronze and Touches of Silver. Now I do believe we had a silver flaky top coat very, very similar to this in an advent calendar maybe 2 years ago, but now we have like an actual full-size bottle of it. The bronze, however, is just absolutely stunning. I love it. I did swatch it on myself. This is the gold, the bronze, and the silver. So pretty. I really love the bronze. It's super, super pretty. Never mind the pinky, it's just something totally different. So as always, I'm looking like a hot mess here with like crazy different things everywhere, but that's okay. Also coming out, I believe this is out now. This is getting ready to come out, but by the time I get this video out, this will be available. So we have some skincare products, fantastic for your hands. So we got Sparkling Glam Hand Scrub, Velvet Glam Hand Butter, and Glam Infusion Hand Cream. I just used this, and this smells really good. It's like a light florally scent. Very nice. I haven't used the cream yet, but I wanted to show you guys they do come sealed, which is fantastic. I love that. I'm gonna give this one a sniff. See what it smells like. Oh, it's very nice. This one has a really nice soft florally smell to it as well. It's a little different than this one. I kind of like the smell of this one a little better, but the butter is just a little thicker than the cream, and then the scrub is a nice fine like scrub. I don't know if it's a sugar scrub or a salt scrub. I'm sure it probably says in the ingredients somewhere, but it's very nice. I do enjoy those a lot. So you can check those out. And then I think the main event here are these brand new builder gels. So we have 6 of them, and they're all different. We got Pink Flakes Builder Gel, Cloud Blue Flakes Builder Gel, so many colors, Glitter Nude, and from the looks of the package, these are all going to be really glittery. Ooh, look at this one. Glitter Pink. I'm so excited to see these. I haven't opened any of these yet. Glitter White. Ooh, I bet that is gorgeous. Oops. And Ivory Flakes Builder Gel. So let's open all these up and look at them. I bet they're stunning. I'm going to swatch them all for you on like a clear swatch stick so you can get an idea of what they look like. So let's see how these come sealed. Okay, we got a nice little tab. Hopefully they'll be pretty easy to open and I won't have to grab tweezers. Oh yes, that is wonderful. So easy to open. So this is the Cloud Blue Flakes. It's a little bit hard to read that, but ooh-wee, that is super gorgeous. Let me grab a brush and swatch this for you. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the consistency of this. So it is a thicker gel. It's a builder gel, and of course you've got those flakes in it, so it's going to be really, really thick, but I do believe this is going to self-level really nice. So let's put it on as if we're like building up a nail. Goodness, that's a lot. Let's see if we can just brush it on and what that does. Very thick. Get my lighting here. And we'll get like a little dollop. How pretty though, because I am definitely lazy when it comes to my own nails. I don't want to do all the things. So this would be beautiful to just be able to build up your nail with and then just put a top coat on and be done. So I'm gonna give that a second to level. But like this is just a gel overlay on my natural nails. I can't be bothered to do anything else right now. And then I always end up looking like a walking swatch stick, which is fine. But Yeah, so it levels pretty good. I could have definitely applied that a lot better, but it's starting to level out pretty good. I'm gonna flip, let gravity do the work for you. And then I'm going to cure this and we'll see how the flakes do. In the top coats, the flakes can stick up a bit, like this one I've got a little bit sticking up. So sometimes I'll want to buff that over and then put another top coat on just to make sure it's nice and smooth. But I feel like with this builder gel, we might not have that same issue. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead into the light with that. I'll let that cure and we'll move on to the next one. That was a very pretty color. This one's calling my name, Glitter Pink. Gotta see what this one looks like. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my goodness. This one was upside down in the box, so try not to lose all the gel. And then I got a string hanging here. There we go. Look at how pretty that is. Again, same consistency, pretty thick. This one doesn't have like flakies in it. It's got more of like a glitter, and it's got a fine glitter and like a chunkier glitter. This would be something I would put on my nails and just leave it. So pretty. And these gels, they're like a good, I wouldn't say super thick, but I would definitely say a little bit thicker than a medium viscosity. They're definitely going to give you time to work them out where you want them to be. I'm used to using a much thinner gel than this, but this is very beginner friendly. The nice things about these builder gels are that they're going to give you nice strength. You can do structured manicures with them, or you can do extensions with them. You can put them over a tip that's glued on. You can do them over a form, like a paper form extension, build out the nail that way. You could probably even do dual forms with these. I don't see why not. They're nice and thick and beginner friendly. So this color is so pretty. Oh, I love that. So I'm gonna let that self level. I'm gonna cure that. Let's do this one next. Glitter Nude. Goodness. Ooh, this one's really pretty. I think I might like this one better than the pink. So it is still pink, but it's definitely more of a neutrally pink. It's not as vivid. It's definitely going to be a lot softer on the nail, but it does look like it has the same glitters in it. So let's swatch that one. And I'm wiping my brush off in between gels. Make sure I don't cross-contaminate the colors here. That one is going to be super soft. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. Very, very pretty. Okay, same thing. I'm gonna let this one level out and cure it and move on to the next. Okay, let's look at the glitter white. I'm excited for this one. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Can you say wedding nails? These will be so perfect for spring weddings. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Oh gosh, I thought that nude one was gonna be my favorite. Now I'm debating. It might be this one. Gonna swatch it. It's just gonna be such a beautiful milky white. Of course, these aren't gonna be super opaque because they've got the glitters in them, so they need to be kind of semi-sheer so the glitters will show through. So pretty. Oh my goodness. You can tell I'm not used to using a thicker gel like this, but look at how gorgeous. All right, same thing. Gonna get it nice and leveled out here, and then I'll cure it and we'll move on to the next one. We got pink flakes and ivory flakes. Excuse me. So we've got glitter gels and flaky gels. Ooh, pretty. This is the ivory. We'll do that one first. That's really pretty. So it's got, I don't know, I can't tell, like gold bronzy kind of flakes in it. Yeah. Does it have anything else? There's another one in there too. I can't tell if it's like a white. Kind of looks maybe like it's an off-white color. Very pretty. Again, wedding nails. It'd be so pretty for wedding nails. These do self-level really well. You just gotta let gravity do the work for you and use it to your advantage for sure with a gel like this. All right. Got my other cured ones over here sticking to my hand. So I like to use a detail brush, which I don't have right now, but you just take and you want to flip the nail upside down and kind of manipulate it where you want it and let gravity do the work for you. I flip back over, make sure things are, you know, going where I want them to. The flakes definitely add a bit of a challenge to it, more so than the glitter ones. The flaky ones are a bit more chunky, but definitely doable. And then back and forth, making sure gravity is pulling the apex where you want it. Again, these aren't going to be perfect, but you'll get the idea. Just want to make sure you can really see the color on how they're going to look when you build them up. So that is the ivory one. That is so pretty. Look at that. Very, very pretty. Okay, cure that one, and then we'll do the pink flakes. So we've got a couple of pink ones here. Let's see how this one looks. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that is so pretty. I really, really, really like that one. Let me wipe off the ivory off my brush. Grab a new swatch and check this baby out. I do like to do like a thin, you know, base of gel first before I go in and build. It is a little difficult to do that with these, with the chunks in them, but look at how pretty. Oh my goodness. So this has gold, pink, and maybe some white flecks in it, or maybe they're silverish. Can you see right there? I don't know if that's silver or white or something in between, but they're very pretty. This might be my favorite flake one. I'm gonna have a hard time picking a favorite, I think, on these. They're really pretty. And the base of this is like really soft, milky pink. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna get this one looking a little better and then I'll cure it. I'm gonna top coat them and then I'll come back to you. All right, so here are all the swatches top coated. Now you can finish file these if you want to. If you're able to get the gel on absolutely perfect, which I am not, you can just go ahead and top coat them. If you wanted to, you could paint over them with a polish because they are builder gels, but they're just so beautiful. I would not paint over these. I would for sure just leave them this color because they're so pretty. But yeah, you absolutely can do any finish filing you need to do and then go in with your top coat and it'll be just fine. I love the pink flake one, very pretty. This one right here, the nude, that's probably my favorite. I really love that color because it has just a slight pink to it. The pink glitter one isn't too bad either. I mean, it's not a super stark pink. It's almost like my luminary, So very pretty, really like that one. The blue one is super gorgeous with the blue flakies in it. They're all really pretty, you guys. I don't know which one I like the most. Maybe this one? I don't know, but this would be so perfect for wedding nails. It's that milky white, clean look, but it's got that glitter built right in. So perfect. They're just absolutely beautiful. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concern, leave them in the comments below. I've got everything linked in the description box. I also have a discount code if you want to check that out. Or you can become a VIP and get 50% off all your gels. I believe you'll get 50% off these gels. I don't know what these are going to be, if they're included in the VIP or not for 50% off, but they probably will be. Yeah, so go check them out. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending me these wonderful products over to try out for everybody. And let me know in the comments which color is your favorite. I'm having a hard time picking, but it's somewhere between the nude and the white. So let me know. I want to hear what you guys think. All right, that's it for this video, everyone. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.